we're on the road to Kheb is the next turn, which, well, next stop, it's a nice signpost. I think that might be the Bethany turn. Sort of different kind of landscape now. Fields, kind of those mountains in the far distance, quite pretty. Just trying to give you a view of it. So all the way to the left is just mountain ranges, sort of far away there. It's going to look obviously quite teeny in your screen, but because of the wide angle, so all the way around. Mountains and to the left as well, a little bit closer. I haven't done a hello shot for a little while. Hello. Hello. All of this stuff seems to be quite working. I haven't done any different mounting spots. I'm not sure if I've shown you a pic of how I've set this up. But with this clamp I've got here, I could do other interesting mount. But this one, for now, just seems to work really well. Because I can control the GoPro, you know, with my free hand, yeah, switch it on, off. Blah blah. With my mic over there. Yeah, so it seemed to work quite well, and obviously as well it's consistency, I guess. Well, that's too fancy. And then on the swivel I just turn it around that I've got with my left hand and point you forwards again. See you later.